Hi Lashia, how are you?
I'm fine, mummy.
Let me start some math sums.
Yes, mummy.
Okay. What is 9 plus 3?
9 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12.
Very good. What is 6 plus 4?
6 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Then what is 5 plus 3?
5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 1, 2, 3. After 5, 6, 7, 8.
What is 8 plus 7?
8 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 4, 3, 4, 5.
What is 7 plus 5?
7 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 1,
7 in the mind,
4.